Assalamualaikum and good morning. We are from Group 10 and we're going to present with our topic, which is Trigonometry in Astronomy. This is our fellows, which is myself, SITI MAYSHARAH binti Muhammad Sufyan, with cut number matrix of 01 DKM 23F1086, and we have BATRISYIA, Adam, and JAMSYIR. So are you ready? You've got two choices, yes or yes. So of course you're going to pick yes. Without further ado, we're going to start with introduction, which is going to be told by BATRISYIA.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is BATRISYIA NAJWA and my metric number is 01DKM23F1115. Today I'm going to share with you about trigonometry. Here, I got three formulas that are commonly used in trigonometry function. The first formula is SOH, and it actually stands for sine. And to get the value of sine, we have to divide opposite and hypotenuse. So that's why it is called SOH. Next is CAH, that stands for cos. And to get the value of it, we must divide adjacent and also hypotenuse. The last one is TOA, that stands for tangent. The value of tangent is opposite divided by adjacent. The second one is sine and also cosine rules. For finding sides in sine rules, we can use small a divided by sine A equals to small b divided by sine B, and also equals to small c divided by sine C. For the angles, we can just inverse the formula. For the cosine, we have to use small a power of 2 equals to small b power of 2 plus small c power of 2 minus 2bc cos a to find the sides. This one is quadrant. We have 4 quadrants, that is A, S, T, and C. For the A quadrant, all ratios are positive. Meanwhile, for the S quadrant, only sine and cosecant ratios are positive. The third one is T quadrant. Only the tangent and cotangent ratios are positive. And the last one is C quadrant, that only cosine and secant ratios are positive. For more knowledge, I will pass it to my friends to explain more about trigonometry.
My name is Adam ZAFRIL and my metric number is 01DKM233F1098. I think you have already get something from my friend BATRISYIA. So today I will explain to you the application of trigonometry in astronomy. Application of trigonometry in astronomy. Trigonometry was used in astronomy since ancient times. Trigonometry is used to measure the distance to nearby stars. In 240 BC, a mathematician named Eratosthenes discovered the magic of the Earth using trigonometry and geometry. Astronomers use the method of parallax of the movement of the star against the background as we orbit the sun, to discover new information about the galaxy. For example, when aerospace engineers want to calculate the distance between the Earth, Sun, and nearby star, they will use the given length between the Sun and the Earth to find the length of the Sun to the nearby star and the Earth to the nearby star by finding the angle weighted using the cos, sin, and tangent.
So from the example that Adam just told now, so to find this one nearby star, we're going to use the tangent. You know that we have three formula, right, for the function of trigonometry, which is the tangent, the cos, and the sine. But for this one, we're going to use the tangent, which have the formula of the opposite over adjacent. So we're going to find the angle. After move aside, look at this 1 AU over 10 and we were given of the angle is 0.0012, and after that we just put it in, which is 1 AU over tan 0.0012, and after put the calculation in the calculator, we will get the 477.00 AU. So the second example, we're going to find the Earth moving in its orbit in one angle, which is the given angle is equal to 149 degree, and as you can see that the angle is on the quadrant, the second quadrant. So from the second quadrant formula, we're going to take it, which is the 180 minus with reference angle. So the angle equal to 180 minus with reference angle, we're going to put the value of the angle, which is 149 equal to 180 minus with reference angle, and the reference angle we're going to move it to the left side, and you will get this 180 minus with 149, and after that put on the calculator in, and then we get the 31. And that's all for the example 2. And last example, which is we're going to find the triangle of VLB at June. So we're going to use the formula of sine rule, which is the sine A over A equal to sine B over B. And after moving it aside to the side, because we're going to find the angle of A, so we get this, which is sine -1 in the bracket of A sin B over B. And to put in the value, we got the A equal to 5, angle of B equal to 30, and length of B equal to 3. And put in the calculator, we get the 56.44. And to find the angle of C, we only need to use the formula of this, which is the triangle have the total of 180 degree in total. So we're going to minus it, 180 minus with 30 minus with 56.44, and you'll get the 93.56. To find the length of C, so for this one we're going to use the cosine rule, which is the C power of 2 equal to A power of 2 plus with B power of 2 minus with 2AB cos C. So C equal to the power of 2 moved to the right side, we'll get the square root of 2, and square root of 2 of all the formula in the right side. And then we just need to put in the value, which is A equal to 5, B equal to 3, and C equal to 93.56. And then you will get the 5.99 centimeter. So lastly, we're going to find the area of the triangle, which have the formula of 1/2 AB sine C. And just put in the value, which is we just got 1/2 multiply with 5 multiply with 3 sine 93.56, and you'll get the 7.49. Let's hop on into the conclusion, which in a nutshell, this topic is not only used in mathematics, but without us realizing, trigonometry is widely used in real-life application, mainly in engineering, astronomy, and architecture. Therefore, we can conclude that without trigonometry, life would be much more difficult. Thanks to it, astronomers need not to get through the trouble of calculating things. Thank you. So we are in the last slide, which is the Q&A session. So what I'm going to ask you guys is, from the previous slide, from the quadrant formula, which quadrant has the only tangent and cotangent ratios are positive? And you will find that the only tangent and cotangent ratios are positive is in the quadrant 3, which has the formula of 180 plus with the reference angle. So we are from group 10, and thank you for listening and pay attention to our slides. Thank you. Bye.